Portrait naman. Father Sam, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is the start of Fitment Japan. Sasagad pa natin.
Sagad yan.
Morning. We're going to Atsugi. Today's the day. We'll slam this car. Let's go. Fuji Sun has blessed us with a clearing. It's gonna be a good day, ibig sabihin. Never get tired of that. Arriving. Where am I at?
Your destination is on the left.
Ayun na, kita ko na. Whoa, nice shop. Let's go. Let's meet them. Brother Sam, thank you for having us. Suot ko rin yan, kala mo. Ganda, work CR2P. You know. So see, look at this. If we can replace this management system, that would be really nice.
Palitan natin yan.
Alokin mo kaya. Yung sa atin, may papakita rin ako sa'yo. May purge system tayo. Nyari, set ko siya ng 100. Ito nga pala. Pwede mo siyang iset ng kahit anong pressure mo sa tangke. Pwede siyang 125 to 175. Nyari, gusto ko 155 lang. Pagkatigil ng compressor, may maririnig kang purge. Psst, gaganon siya. Ibig sabihin, yung check valve mong to, sumasara na maayos. Yun ang wala yung mga yan. Straight lang. So me and Sam will start the build because time is money. Brother Sam, say hi. Okay, time lapse muna tayo. Alright, so this is an under chassis video. I was working on, of course, the under chassis of the car. So there's less talking that's happening and more wrenching because time is limited. As you can see, I actually asked Sam to provide us a space. And let me just give you a background, okay? Sam owns Atsugi Hobby Shop, and Sam is just working alone. He is the mechanic, he is the painter, he is the tire changer, he is everything. Lahat ng serbisyong ino-offer ni Sam, he's the only one doing it. And that is why I'm doing my best to finish the job as soon as possible. And I don't want to get in his way because he has other clients to serve on his shop. And I'm taking up space. So Sam, you're a very kind person for lending me this, being part of this. So maraming salamat sa'yo and allowing me to work on my car here at your shop because I couldn't have done this alone in Fuji. Without the proper tools, special tools that you have, it would have been impossible. Alright, Brother Sam, update. 4 hours later, tama ba? 10 to 3. With a few break times. The front is already installed. Both sides. We did run some problems, pero that's normal, you know, in a car build like this. Both sides routed up. On this side, we already have the top on service mode. And we already have access for the area. Andito yung shock tower natin. And I think I could just fold this flap and I can see it already, but nah, sige. Kalasin natin ng tama. We'll just have to fold this up and then we'll be able to get the shock towers. Then, we already removed one wheel, a few bolts in, and then we can just remove the rear shocks and then we're done. Alright, kalas na yung dalawang shocks. Shocks! I was charging the camera so I wasn't able to do time lapse, pero malinis naman ang mukha ko. Mamaya magdudumi na ulit yan. So we're gonna put the camera on the back side right here and we're gonna time lapse it again. Bumabagsak na araw. I can finish this bago mag sundown, pero we still need to buy spacers and stablings, okay? So see ya. Alright, so as you can see, within just a day, we were able to, less than a day actually, half a day, we were able to install all the struts, remove the old struts and install the new struts that I brought with from the Philippines. And at this point, my body was sumusuko na. It's giving up. At this point of the video, this nighttime shot, my body's just on autopilot and trying to push through. The reason why is because my flight is in a few days, and me and June are deciding to finish it before I fly out. But as you can see, sometimes when you're building cars, things don't work out the way that you plan it in your head. It's my motto is it's never a car build without problems. It's gonna be part of it. There are things that you cannot predict, and sure enough, I had small hiccups and problems, and me pushing further does not help. It just makes me even more tired and lose focus and probably delay the project even further. Alright, day 2, hindi kami nakapag-video kasi nagpapahinga lang kami ni Brother Sam. We took the day very slow. We started 3 p.m., 4 p.m.-ish. Ang ginawa lang namin today is naglagay ng hangin, nag-leak test, na-low-bat, bumili ng charger, bumili ng mga gamit, nag-final check, nag-lock ng mga rings. Not a lot of work today, but a lot of planning was done. You can actually hear the compressor running, and the system is actually done na. We have a small leak here, very small leak. So we'll try to cover it up with sealant na lang. But tomorrow na yun onwards. What I want to do is to check if may leak yung airbag natin. Madali na yung tanke kasi kita na natin yung tank. We still have tomorrow. We'll have to buy some sealants. And then, before we bring down the car, let's actually go to one last leak test. Bulaan natin lahat on video para ma-double check natin one last time. And then, we're gonna drop the car. We're gonna time lapse and then let's see, no? Viva Homes Finds. Kasi Autobox pala to. Autobox Finds. Let's actually check kung may leak pa rin. Visual check. Wala. Visual check. Wala. Go to the other side. Start ko muna. Lagyan ko muna ng hangin na madami. Dahan-dahan lang, no? Okay. Ano harap muna? Taas ng harap, oh. Bumaba ka, please. Ay, nako. Air out na. Nakataas yung unahan. Yan yung challenge natin ngayon. Portrait naman. Father Sam, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is the start of Fitment Japan. Alright. Second video for this build. On the first video, we finished this car, drop it on the floor. But in this video, we're gonna finalize it. We're gonna perfect it. We're going to tie up some loose ends. The first drop is never gonna be the final drop. So I'm gonna race up the car again, and we're gonna probably do it tonight until tomorrow. But best case tonight, just do some minor adjustments in the drop. I'm just not a bit happy. But regardless, the build was very successful. For today, join us. Sam is out buying some supplies na. Let me close this noisy ass thing. Sam is out buying stuff. He's gonna come here in a bit. I'm gonna try to set up the car, and I'll see you guys later. ginagawa pala namin is sinasagad namin yung drop sa harap. Tinanggal na namin to. Ganito kalaki yung drop natin na nakuha from the front suspension. And 1 inch yan. 1 inch. So, we're dropping an inch more. Alright, Boss Sam is in the welding rig. We're gonna transfer. Basically, ang nangyari is this used to be a sleeve that was part of the shock body and it's giving us pain in the assholes kasi ninanakawan tayo ng air out. So what we did is we're just gonna, ito ay bakal. Ano ba to? Aluminum? Aluminum na. So ito ililipat natin dito like that but with a bracket. So for the stabling, yun ang mangyayari. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang kapal. Just has to hold the stabling so the car is not wobbly. After that, okay na yun. So time-lapse muna natin si boss. And then we can drop this car another inch. Cleaned up myself a bit. Okay, Boss Sam, salamat sa welding ng ating bracket. And here it is. Nakabit na natin. Here is our full set right here. Tanggal na namin yung stabling so it should give us a big drop. We routed out the hose lines already. And we're ready to drop the front end. I just have to adjust the rear. Haabulin na natin yung drop. Overall, pretty happy with the overall initial drop na nakita namin. But we'll know for sure once the car is on the floor. Okay, rampa. Oh my god, let's go! Feeling ko basta 100 dapat. Oh yan, record pa ako. Akit naman. Nagre-record na pala ako. Alright. Continuation. Today, anong ba gagawin natin, Boss Sam? Sasagad pa natin.
Sagad yan.
Okay, kagabi, nung natapos namin, nung nag-appear kami, we're very happy. Pero, nagkakaulutan kasi parang, sagad mo pa. Sagad mo pa. O, ito yung kagabi. Ito yung drop ng kagabi. We still want to drop it more. We're gonna do that now. And, yeah, we're gonna wrench again. Alright, we're done for this car. Alignment na lang talaga siya. So nice, papa-car wash tayo. We're gonna wash the car. First time ko siyang hugasan. Let's do it. And celebrate. Ikot-ikot muna tayo. Sige, yun na muna. Car wash tayo. Dami dito nagpapa-car wash na mga ganda. Okay, so ito na. First Japanese car wash na gagawin natin. Dito pwede rin mag-car wash dito. Nasa labas ka nga lang.
Doon.
Doon tayo. Ooh, let's go. What the hell? Sumagad tayo Okay, let's car wash the car. Okay, first car wash. Okay. Paano ba ito gamitin, Boss Sam?
Hulog ka lang ng bariya mo.
Sige, wait lang. Okay, medyo nakakabaliw na experience yan. Yung car wash dito sa Japan, pag nagpa-car wash ka, syempre inisip mo tubig lang. Tubig, sabon, tubig. Tubig, sabon, tubig. Syempre, babasain mo, sasabunin mo, tapos aanuhin mo, babanlawan mo. Dito, pagkatapos mo magbanlaw, may 3 coating ka ng tubig na magiging hydrophobic yung auto. Ayan o, nagbibid yung nagbibid yung tubig oh. Kasi yung tubig, yung power spray mo, ini-inject niya ng coating yung tubig. This is why Japan cars are so nice. There are nice cars here. There's actually 2 stance cars or 2 VIP builds. Isa is Toyota, ano ba yan? Crown din na luma yan. Tapos yung isa Crown din. Naka-work zist yun. Ito, nakalimutan ko anong tawag dyan sa work na yan. Pero work wheels din yan. Tayo, naka-stock wheels tayo. Kaya kailangan ito ayusin, Boss Sam, no? Boss Sam, thank you nga pala sa pag-asikaso sa akin. We have a new partner! Tsaka, oh, ganda oh. Wait lang. Wait lang. Natameme ako dun ah. Tawanan juice. Alright. So that is it for this video. This build is officially done. But after the build, de-demo pa natin yan. Papakita natin sa mga kaibigan natin sa Japan. We're gonna go to Daikoku. We're gonna go to Shibuya. We're gonna show them kung anong nabuo natin dito sa Fitment Engineering, which is Filipino ingenuity. So big thanks kay Sam for having us. 4 days, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was there. So salamat sa iyo, brother. It was such a pleasure to meet you. It felt like matagal na kitang, alam mo yun, the way we talk, the way we jive, the way we vibe, parang matagal na tayo magkakilala, even though we just met when I arrived here in Japan. So people like that, I appreciate, kasi we are in the same frequency. In tune tayong dalawa. So that's what I feel about you, brother. So big thanks sa'yo. More power sa business mo. We're gonna help you out. And kami, pag natulungan ng Fitment Engineering, dinodoble namin. So you'll see it, you'll feel it, and we'll support you as well as much as you supported us. So full support of Fitment Engineering will be coming to AHS, which is at Sugi Hobby Shop in Kanagawa Prefecture. I'm gonna drive to Fuji, enjoy. I'm just gonna probably do some random shots of me driving. I don't have anyone with me. So by the way, nag-extend ako ng 9 days sa Japan because I wasn't able to finish the car on time. Yesterday was supposed to be my flight June 4. Hindi ako mabot. So I had to extend. I'm now alone. June actually flew to the Philippines na. I'll have to do it alone for the next 7 days. So kaya yan. Let's go. Let's do it. Right, drive ulit. Bumalot na ako. It's actually 17 degrees and it's gonna get colder down in Fuji. So it's best to wrap up. Naka-top down pa tayo. So let's go.